Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Scotiabank how to get income declaration from bank app. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to get the income declaration from bank app, the first thing that you need to do is open the Scotiabank app. So simply head over and open up the Scotiabank application. Then once you're inside here, simply tap on sign in. Then use your username or card number, then tap on continue and log in with the credentials. The next step is to simply tap on more icon on the bottom right corner of the screen, and then once inside, what you need to do is select documents or manage document delivery. Then once you're inside there, select documents or statements, and then once inside here, what you need to do is download a statement or income proof. Choose the account where the income is deposited, the months you need, and then simply tap on the download PDF or share option. Then once that's done, what you need to do is you can now email it, upload it, print it, or send via WhatsApp or AirDrop. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.